Hi guys, it's me again, Jael, ang alipin ng
Salamin!
Hi guys! So for tonight's video guys, Christmas party namin. Ayan, makita nyo dito si RR, si Ate Betty, si Cathy 20, si... Hi guys! Hi guys sa vlog ko guys.
A few moments later.
Saan yung rice, guys? Nagalit ng rice. Life is rice.
Hello kay Bet's Kitchen only. Thank you nga po pala sa mga food. Guys, let's do exchange gift, guys. Kung sino yung nabunot nyo, like we do last year, magme-message muna tayo dun sa taong pagbibigyan natin ng gift natin. Okay, Ate Kat, ikaw muna.
The one that I picked the name is, which is Sis Duffy. Yeah, so my message, I try my best to get your gift, but I couldn't get. Oh my God! I asked Mapay, but Mapay cannot get also. So I don't have choice, so I just buy something that I know that you can use every day. Maybe every day, or I don't know.
All the thing. Mapay.
Message first. Message first.
What you want to say to Mom?
Tapi yan lah sebab tak ada mama lah.
Yalo. Merry Christmas ah.
Next. You guys guess. My message to the person, Merry Christmas. Okay? I don't know, Ma. Okay. So the one that I pick is a girl. Girl, right? Oh my God. Is asleep. Okay. And wearing orange color. Selamat. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Mom.
So, sino pa ba hindi na mabunot? Kinabunot ko, ayun, nagbablog. Ayun, nagbablog. So here, message ko, sana magustuhan mo to. You want again? Thank you! Okay, yung sa akin naman, alam kong magagamit niya to. Hindi sa akin to ah. Kaya sabi ko lang. Eto, alam kong magagamit niya to. Yung nabunot ko nga pala, si RR.
So, mag-message na ako. So, ang nabunot ko ay si pinakamaliit. Last year siya din. So, itong gift na to is, yes, sana, magagamit, I'm sure magamit yan, and then, mga blessings, pasukan yan ng blessings yun. Pasukan yan ng blessings yun. Tapos, hindi, pagbalik niya, tapos pagbalik niya, lagyan niya din ng blessing. Ganon. Sige na, Ningning, pasak. Sige na, Ningning, pasak. Hey, wait.
A few inches later.
Ay, ang ganda ng camera ni Cha. I'm so beautiful here. Char! Guys, ayan, naghihintay na sila. Maglalaro daw sila. And I'm the host. And anyway, they are the...
Ma'am, let's go, ma'am. Let's go.
They're gonna play some games. So, welcome to my vlog. Charot. Ano muna kayo, create a 2 group for each. Okay. O, sino magkapaparehas? Okay.
Wala.
Ay,
Dapat 4-4. Maiba ka group nila, Ate Kat. Maiba ka group nila, Ate Kat.
oh!
Maiba. Oh, group na.
Sinadya! 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 Group 1, what's the name of your group? Okay, just introduce. Wait, listen. Introduce the name of your group. What's the name of your group? Okay, guys. What's the name of your group? Okay? You must have a name of group. Okay, let's go! So, ayan guys. Nagkikreate sila ng name ng group at saka yung intro nila. Kailangan pang malakasan. Ito, seryoso sila guys, oh. Oh, seryoso yung apat. Oh, oh. And the other group, please. wala daw ano. You think you need to think what's the name of your group also, okay? Busy sila guys. Nagki-create sila ng name ng group at saka yung ano nila, intro nila bilang grupo. So ayan. Group 1 and there's a group 2. O, di ba? Seryoso sila guys. Napaka-seryoso at competitive nila guys. Walang nagpapatalo. O, di ba? Ganon. Nag-i-enjoy talaga sila guys. O. The other group din, ganon din ang ginagawa. O, di ba? Bato-bato pick, who's gonna first? Who's gonna? Bato-bato pick, who's gonna first? Eh. Kung sino una ang ano, kung sino una mag-perform. Okay, go. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Go.
Binabati ko nga po pala yung mga pamilya ko yan. Ay, isa ka po kami.
Nandito na kami sa wawa mo.
Okay. Go.
Andito na, fresh from the back. Kami ang team Fresh Day!
Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go! Take two! Take Okay, go!
One, two, three, four, five. Go! Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima. Dua, satu, empat, lima. Go! Ang bagal!
Pag ganyan. Oh, pag ganun na lang. Okay, go. One.
Wala pa, one. Two.
Ayoko na!
Three.
Ala, ang dami! Parang nasa harapan mo lang. O, sino makakuha ng 5 ringgit? Ulit! Ayan, start na. Who eat the cookie first? Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go. Ja and RR versus Ja and RR. 1, 2, 3, go! Ang bilis ni ni RR. Oh! Go, go, go! Go, 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 May! Hindi pa rin, hindi ko nakunan yung pagsubo ni RR. Come on! Hirap, ate! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go. Dilaan mo na, dilaan. Dilaan mo na. Dilaan mo na. sabi ni Joel, dilaan mo na. yan. Ayan na! Dali, dali! Mag-slide! I-slide mo yung ulo mo! Dali! Ayan! Ayan!
Much later.
Meron akong appreciation gift sa inyong lahat. Oo, kasi, kasi, syempre, this year, madalas tayong nagkakasama, guys. May bibigay ako sa inyo, wait lang, guys. Eto kay Doffy. Eto sa'yo. Eto sa'yo ko na lang bibigay ito. And Mapi. Ate Yam. And Ate Cathy. Sorry, Ate Betty, nakalimutan kita. Wait lang, kukunin ko. Ate Betty. I-open nyo po. I-open nyo na, guys.
Merry Christmas, Ate Betty. I don't want to open.
Open mo na.
Uy, guys! Thank you, Ja! We love you! Sana all rich. Thank you so much! Ja, na-appreciate pa naman guys. You guys, feel it? Bakit nakala ko guys? Wala pa akong Guys! House in law. Akala talaga siguro nila wala akong bag. Bakit na? Akala talaga nila wala akong bag. Lantaran. Uy, wow! Lakos. Guys! Yan, hindi na. Kami ni Kaplan dyan. Mahilig ko sa taglim.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Anong kulay to? Remove ng pencil! Wow! Ay, wow! Sosyal!
Oo. Kaya may pang na tayo sa Monday.
Wala pa man din talaga. Thank you, guys! So nice, eh?
Yes.
Nice! Ito talaga. I love ako ni Ja. Thank you, followers. May wala ko na hindi ko na-receive yung gift. Thank you so much for this gift.
With yours, yeah, because
Really
It's
fun.
okay, guys.
the order is not yet arrived.
Yeah, yours Ja is cute. And of course, there's a plastic inside.
Bag raid. Bag
And
raid.
there's a sling bag.
Baka may presyo pa nga eh.
And there's a and the price of the bag is Tantaran.
Wala, tada.
Thank you, guys. It's a nice bag. Mwah. Thank you guys. Ang dami ko nag-giveaway. Thank you, Doggy. Thank you, sis. May gift from boy. Thank you to the Mama Chu.
Bye. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang balutin mo. Kasama ko yun sa vlog ko, syempre.
Palootin mo ako. Maraming pinagpig sa patingin. Sinakta ko, I think. Tabaw din ako.